calls me the dipstick. Everybody's asleep in the house, and he found the shot collar for me.
Well, I run it down on 2, and I can just hit it all night long. I mean, look, it's lighting up, and I got my fingers on it, and I feel a little tingle. So let's bring it up to about 8. Let's see what happens. You ready? Yeah, shoot. Shoot, be barking. Good night, buddy.
Alrighty. Wash day. I tore it all apart yesterday, and it took me a lot longer than I expected. So I didn't start washing it because it was kind of cold, and I didn't want to get sick or anything. But here it is. This is how you'll get it if you buy it. I mean, it's going to be cleaner, of course, and it's not going to have the transmission, pumps, or my wall-to-wall money eater. But the headers, shocks, springs, some tires to get it home, wheels, seat belts, seat for $10,500, and it's yours. Dad's out there working on that trailer. So let's get to it. What you doing?
I'm putting some things on here.
Mine.
I'm putting a tarp on.
Oh, okay. All right, so he's screwing that up. I'm coming in here, and as bad as I hate to do it, this has got to come off until after the car is put back together. And the reason being is because I don't want to scratch it, for one, and two, a lot of the things that we're going to be working on are kind of hard to reach without the body being off, and the roof has to be taken off. That way we can put a seat in it. So we're going to start pulling the body off of it, as bad as I hate to do it. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, the MB is all stripped down. I'm fixing to put some tires on it, blow it off, clean up around the bottom of it. That way there ain't no shavings everywhere. And then I'm going to bag it in here. I'm going to go get that one way up there, park it over there, and we're going to start pulling it apart so that we can put stuff in this one. Not much to them when you pull the body off of them. This car is so well fabricated, and everything's just, it's well built compared to the other 2 cars that I've had. It's a major upgrade. They plated up inside of here. Their motor mounts. It's just, these guys thought this car out before they built it, and you can see it in their craftsmanship. And I'm thankful to be able to own an MB Custom. Body's up there until it's needed. Big Daddy's cleaning up for once. Because the storm's coming. But yeah, here's our MB Custom. It's hard to walk past it without staying here for
It really is hard to work out here.
man, you just sit here and it's like, dang.
Seriously, it's nice.
It's a fine piece. I'm fixing to start pulling the motor out of this one. And then I'm going to go and get the shocks and springs and put it on this. And put the tires on it. And back it up in here too. That way we can come straight out. Go straight in with this one. What are you doing?
Working, boy. Trying to make money, pay your bills.
Pay my bill. I've been out here all by myself, and I've got it to this stage right here, and I haven't really been able to film it, and I didn't really want to film it because this is like the 6th time of us doing this season, so I'm pretty sure y'all are pretty worn out of seeing a motor being put in and pulled out and put in and pulled out. But this is where I'm at. I've done it by myself. I'm fixing to pull it out right here and get it stuck on the floor right there until the weather gets better again and we get our transmission rebuilt and all of that, and then it'll go into that one. So pretty busy day. No, that's good. Y'all couldn't even see that mess I just made. I let it down, and I didn't have enough blocks under it. So whenever I let it all the way down, all the water came out of it. So just a slight mess, but motor is out of the car for good. Now I got to pull the transmission and the rest of the stuff. All right, so I'm fixing to pull my pumps off. Wrong one. Alright, so my pumps are out. Now I'm gonna pull the starter and the drive shaft. That way I can take the transmission and bell housing out of it. He needs expert assistance. What's up, homie? He's trying to show me how he used to do it back in the day. He was telling me that back when he used to race, how awesome he was.
He never said that. Never said
I better be glad that he can't get in one because
I
he
have said
showed
that.
me. And so before we get too invested in it, we're gonna see if he can get in it, and if he can, then we're gonna.
Remember I got stuck in the shawl?
Yeah.
Halfway down there?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm up in this shit.
You fit.
Who needs a seat?
Probably gonna
Your
be.
mama's gonna be like, where your daddy at? He's out in the shop.
He's on the track.
He's out in the shop, sitting in the race car.
Coming to you in 2021. Let's see how fast you can get out. There's a fire. There's a fire.
Get the jaw of life.
Get the grinder. That dude'll have the fire suppression system turned on, and y'all get the grinder.
There just ain't enough room in here.
Put the car in full attitude. See, most of these MB Customs, they tote the left front about yay much coming out of the corner, if not more. And then they hyperextend it about that much. So, this is what it looked like.
Alright, cut your camera off.
Get out.
I can't.
Get out. Get out.
I can't. I need help.
How am I supposed to help you?
Get the engine voice over here. I think I can come out through one of these.
Come out through it. Let's see. Let's see it. Gotta come out sometime.
I can get out. I ain't get out.
Then get out. What you waiting on?
Dude, come on. Just cut it off.
Just get out.
I can't. I can't. Get them cutters.
What?
I need to cut this.
No, you don't.
Dude, you just ain't gonna let me get out in peace.
No.
Alright, let's see what happens here. Since you got the video of this. Oh, it's my beard. Oh my god. Oh my god, my arm.
Yes.
There we go.
Yes.
Oh my god. No help or nothing, just so damn loud. Look. Be my last time getting one of these things.
That's it? You
That's
ain't
it.
never gonna get one.
I'm done with that.
I got it, Daddy. Whoa.
You can't make this stuff up. This is what I come home to. They had no idea I was coming home early. Look at this. Look at this.
He hit Nugget.
How are they getting the side-by-side out of the garage?
He ran over Nugget.
What? I mean, look at this. Look at this. How are you getting the side-by-side out of my garage?
Huh? Nugget's free.